You know what I say? Me admit, and me agree, say yes, the man use him song and him use him flow.
When
Not him song, but him flow.
When you take things from other people that is their original and it's not your original, what do you call that? I've been telling you that from the other day. What do you call it?
You tell me.
Plagiarism. Your artist lack.
Don't say creativity. Do not say creativity. Zane?
So
but hold on, man. Let me teach you something first, bro.
Your artist lack
bro.
Originality.
Bro, hold on, man. Let me teach you something.
Yeah.
Let me teach you something about war. Zane?
Yeah.
And that's why I'm telling you to grab a book and grab a pencil. Because I'm going to teach you something about war.
Art of war.
You see, the more you know about your enemy, and the easier them is to defeat.
You know that.
You agree?
Yes.
All right. Now, if you can use the leader style, who is the highest ranking against him, foot soldier them, what you think are going to happen?
People
give you a minute to think about it.
People might look by you and say, yo, he no good. He no good because he might try use man style for come.
But listen to what me say now. Listen to what me say. That is a brilliant move by Masicka. Brilliant move. I'm never tell you. No, if you use the leader, which is the highest rank, which is Kartel, style against him, foot soldier.